And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 54. Let me show you the square star tool. You can find it right here where the basic shapes are. If you can't see it, just right click on it, you get a list, and then you should be able to see it. If you hold shift while you drag it, the aspect ratio will be locked, so width and height will be the same size. Let me give that a bluish color. And if we select it, you can see two options. The cutout, when we go down, we can see that this shape is based on a polygon, and you can set the sides right here. Let's just make this a hexagon with 6 sides. And now we create the cutout, and it's simply a triangle that cuts into the shape. So when we have 6 sides, we're going to get 6 triangles that cut into it. And this is how these square stars are generated. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.